Hi, I want to show you app I created for viewing CSV semicolon CSV files. So CSV files originally is like comma separated values, but some apps and some version of the Windows on regional settings create CSV files with a semicolon delimiter, which is not quite good because these files cannot be opened in Excel and like on different computers, and some apps expecting as CSV to be as comma separated file. So I created app that can open and view CSV semicolon files, and this is my website. I will leave it in the description. To download app, I just double click on the download button. Hi, I want to show you app I have created for viewing CSV semicolon CSV data. So basically CSV is commonly known as comma separated values, and it's some apps expected this to be as comma separated. This is why semicolon CSV when opened like in Excel showing like not like correct table, and so I created app capable to show this semicolon CSV files, and this is my website. I will leave it in the description. To download the app, I double click on the download button to start downloading process. And then I click on archive, double click on MSI, and this is warning because I'm not registered publisher, so I click on more info because you see publisher no, and click run anyway. Click on next, click on yes, and wait until it will be installed. Now I can do double click on viewer and I can click on select input files and can select, for example, like this semicolon data. So I can demonstrate you why it's not working for me, why like Excel is not showing correctly. If I go to documents and click on semicolon data, you can see that it's not like showing a columns, but instead it's showing all like in one cell everything. So Excel doesn't understand this file as semicolon CSV. So now my app can, when I open in my app, it will show as normal table with all data in it. Now also I can save it as Excel file, as Word file with this table, or as CSV file, which will be correct comma separated CSV file. And yeah, so basically that's it. It will show me all data in this file in correct format, and also help me to save into correct CSV comma separated CSV if I need it. Yeah, basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works. Thank you.